Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Lenovo Yoga Slim 7 Pro 14 and what's inside of it. To open this notebook, you need to undo 7 Torx head screws. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool and remove it from the chassis.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Here, we have a 61 Wh battery pack. It lasts for 18 hours of web browsing, or 12 hours and 30 minutes of video playback. To take the battery out, you need to undo 5 Phillips head screws. Then, unplug the connector from the motherboard. After that, you will need to carefully untangle the Wi-Fi antenna cables from the top, and the speaker cables from the bottom of the battery housing. Unfortunately, the memory here is soldered to the motherboard. The device can be found in configurations with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, working at 6400 MHz. Storage-wise, there is one M.2 PCIe X4 slot, which supports Gen 4 SSDs. Lenovo has provided decent cooling, comprising 2 heat pipes, 2 fans, and a heat spreader over the VRMs. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.